In today's video, let me show you how to use the Chase budget and spending tracker. If you haven't yet set up your Chase budget and spending tracker, in this video let me show you the way on how you do it. First of all, you need to head over to the spending planner. It should be visible on the home page or the dashboard of the mobile application. You can just tap on the manage spending, or sometimes it may even say track your spending habits. You can just tap on this option and you'll be able to view all of your spending summary. So by default, you'll be able to see two options, the spending summary and the budget option. You can tap on the spending summary option to take a look at all of your category breakdowns. Now in terms of setting up your budget, if you haven't yet done already, you can tap on the budget option and then you'll be able to add in different sort of categories for your budget, such as income, your savings target, as well as your monthly bills. So just tap on the set budget option if you haven't yet set already, but if you have, you'll be able to see the option called edit budget. What you can also do in this section is Chase will automatically monitor your spending and then notify you if you approach a spending limit. So this is one of the great features of this platform. You can take a look at all of your monthly budgets being separated into different categories once you add in all of these categories. So this is the exact way that you can use the Chase budget and spending tracker. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.